क्या आपको पता है कि जो फ़ोन आपकी पॉकेट में है या हाथ में है वो कहाँ बना है? A typical answer may be China. But if you use an iPhone, your answer will soon change in a big way. Forget what you thought you knew about your phone. A shift in global tech is underway, and the implications may be massive. Get ready to witness the rise of a new manufacturing giant for the world's most iconic smartphone. That's right. Apple CEO Tim Cook recently dropped a bombshell during company's earnings call. He said that India is going to become the primary manufacturing hub for all iPhones sold in the US. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it is a significant change for the tech giant. So, what is driving this monumental move? The answer, in a nutshell, is tariffs. Now, what are these tariffs? पिछले महीने यूएस प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने चाइना पर 145% तक का टैरिफ लगाया। अब क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द आईफोन्स आर मेड इन चाइना, उसको यूएस में इंपोर्ट करने पर एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स लगेगा। Now, according to a report, if Apple fully passes on the cost of tariff on Chinese goods, the base iPhone 16 price, that is $799, may reach up to $1142. हालांकि अब स्मार्टफोन्स को टैरिफ लिस्ट से हटा दिया गया है, एप्पल इज स्टिल एक्टिव सीकिंग टू इंसुलेट इट्स सप्लाई चेन। कुक ने एक्नॉलेज किया कि फ्यूचर टैरिफ्स कुड सिग्निफिकेंटली इन्फ्लेट देयर कॉस्ट, एस्टिमेटिंग अ पोटेंशियल $900 million इम्पैक्ट बेस्ड ऑन द करंट पॉलिसीज। क्या आपको पता है, इसी इम्पैक्ट को शॉर्ट टर्म में कम करने के लिए एप्पल फ्लू ओवर 600 tons of iPhones from India to the US by chartered cargo jets in the last couple of months. India's role in iPhone assembly is rapidly expanding, and it is currently around 20%. Apple plans to source all US bound iPhones from India by 2026. Now this is a huge win. It signifies India's growing capabilities and importance in high-tech manufacturing. और ये वैलिडेशन है हमारे गवर्नमेंट का मेक इन इंडिया कैंपेन का। अब इस सबसे इंडिया का क्या फ़ायदा है? एप्पल्स कमिटमेंट टू स्केलिंग प्रोडक्शन इन इंडिया will likely create numerous jobs, boost local economy, and further integrate India into the global economics value chain. India is not just a market for Apple anymore. It is becoming a critical manufacturing powerhouse. और एक बड़ी बात ये भी है कि एप्पल के साथ साथ Google is also looking to manufacture its phones in India. In conclusion, Apple's move to make India its primary iPhone manufacturing hub for the US market is a landmark decision. So, the next time you hold an iPhone bought in the US, there is a good chance it came from a factory in Chennai. What do you think about Apple's big India move? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into the world of tech and global economy.